Good morning, students. Today in this class we just discuss the how we have to find the maxima or minima value for the function y equal to f of x, or for a function f of x, how we have to find the maxima or minima. Let y equal to f of x, or let f of x be a differentiable function. Okay, differentiable function. So here, to find the maxima or minima, first we have to test the first differentiation value. That means necessary condition. If I am taking necessary condition, or first derivative test. So here first we have to find f dash of x. Okay, so that value equal to 0. Okay, in first derivative test, first what we have to find f dash of x such that equate to 0. That means f dash of x equal to 0. Find the all the values of x. Find all the values of x. Okay, so these values are called stationary values or turning values or local values. Okay, for example, okay, if f dash of x equal to 0, let x equal to, for example, a comma b comma c comma etc. For example, if I take a cubic equation, if we differentiate that, what we are getting? A quadratic expression. If we equate that value equal to 0, we are getting x values are 2 values. Suppose if we take fourth degree polynomial equation, the differentiation value gives cubic polynomial. If that value equal to 0, x, you are getting the 3 values like that. Here I am taking x equal to a comma b comma c comma like this. So at these values, f of x values are okay corresponding f of x values. What is that? F of a, f of b, f of c, etc. So a comma f of a, b comma f of b, like this, are called okay. What is that? Stationary points or turning points or local points. Okay, so this is the concept. So to test the maxima or minima, first we have to take the first derivative test. So here what we have to do? First to find the f dash of x and equate that value to 0 and find the x values. Okay, find the x values. That values are called stationary value, turning value, or local values. At that values, corresponding function values are called f of a, f of b, like this. So x comma y, that point and function value. Okay, so these points are called local points or stationary points or turning points. Okay, according to first derivative test, we have to find the stationary values. Okay, So how many stationary values you are getting? First we have to find the stationary values. Okay, first we have to complete this first derivative test. Okay, it is also in some contents they are called necessary condition. Okay, necessary condition. Okay, right. Now I am erasing this. Next, what we have to find? Okay, next here I am just erasing this. I am just erasing this. Next condition, it is called, okay, in some textbooks they are defined like this: sufficient condition. Okay, so it is also called second derivative test. Okay, second derivative test. Second derivative means f double dash of x. Okay, find f double dash of x. Find f double dash of x. Okay, at the stationary values. Okay, for example, a comma b comma like this. Find f double dash of, okay, here I am taking that, let c be the stationary value. Okay, here I am taking that, let small c be the stationary value. Okay, so find f double dash of c. Find f double dash of c. If f double dash of c value less than 0, then at x equal to c, the given function, we can write like this: the given function f of x have maximum value, and that maximum value equal to, what is that? F of c. That means already what is our given function? F of x. In that you have to submit that. So that is the, suppose if f double dash of c is greater than 0, if f double dash of c, okay, I am taking c is the stationary value. If f double dash of c greater than 0, then we can write that at x equal to c, the given function f of x have minimum value, and that minimum value is, what is that? F of c. That means for a stationary value you are getting the any maximum value or minimum value. Sometimes that value becomes 0, okay, you can't say that. So at that type of points are called, okay, sometimes what happened, it is not giving the maximum value nor minimum value. Okay, so that type of points, what is that type of points? C comma f of c, that type of points are called, what is that? Saddle points. What is that? Saddle points. That means saddle point, saddle value that satisfies the necessary condition, but it is not satisfies the sufficient condition. Understand? So if you take one value, okay, you have to find like this: f double dash of, okay, if you find that second derivative value at that point, if that value less than 0, it gives the maximum value. Okay, maximum value. If that second derivative value, if it gives the greater than 0, then at that point it gives the minimum value. What is that minimum value? F of c. Suppose maximum value gives, what is that point? C comma f of c. That means if you take one, okay, one stationary value, okay, that stationary value sometimes it gives the extreme values also. Sometimes they are not giving the extreme values. If they are giving the extreme values, okay, that values, or we can take the minimum value, maximum value. Sometimes they are not giving the extreme values. That type of points are called, what is that? Stationary, saddle points. Understand? Right. So like this. So this is the main concept. So whatever it may be, we have to take the first derivative test and second derivative test. From first derivative test, we have to find the stationary value or local value or turning value. Okay, here also it is called, what is the stationary points, local points or turning points. In different textbooks they are mentioned different types. So whatever it may be, we have to take that concept like this. Okay, that means to test the maxima or minima, we have to do the compulsory how many tests? Two tests. First derivative test and second derivative test. Understand? So this is our concept. According to this, we have to solve the problems. We have to solve the problems. This is the method. Okay, right. So like this, we do the some problems. Okay, so this is our concept. Understanding this one, right? So I think you can understand this concept, right? In our next class, we just discuss about the problems to find the maxima or minima. Okay, right? Application is most important. So concept is this one. Here compulsory f of x is a differentiable function. Okay, there is no doubt. Okay, compulsory we have to do the two tests, first derivative test and second derivative tests. Okay, right.